Announcement. Honourable members, based on the recommendations of the Business Advisory Committee, a procedure is in place that members who wish to speak in a debate should give their names to table office not later than 30 minutes prior to the commencement of a debate. The procedure is also brought to the notice of members through issuance of a para in the Parliamentary Bulletin Part 2 before the commencement of every session. Accordingly, members are requested to kindly send their names 30 minutes prior to commencement of any discussion through their party leader whip. Announcement regarding leave. Announcement. I have to inform members that a communication has been received from Sri Harbhajan Singh, member, stating that he is unable to attend the sittings of the current 268th session of Rajya Sabha from 21st July to 6th August 2025 due to prior committed engagements. Does he have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 21st July to 6th August 25 during the current session of the Rajya Sabha? Permission to remain absent is granted. Honourable members, 24 notices have been received under Rule 267. The notices of Sri Sandeep Kumar Pathak, Sri Muhammad Nadimul Haq, Srimati Ranjit Ranjan, Sri Shakti Singh Gohil, Sri Mukul Krishna Basnik, Srimati Rajni Ashok Rao Patil, Dr. Syed Nasir Hussain, Sri Neeraj Dangi, Sri Akhilesh Prasad Singh, Sri Randeep Singh Surjewala, Sri Rajiv Shukla, Sri Saket Gokhale, Sri Sushmita Dev, Sri Manoj Kumar Jha have demanded discussion over the concerns arising out of the special intensive revision of electoral laws undertaken by the Election Commission in Bihar. The notices of Sri Rita Brata Banerjee, Srimati Sagrika Ghosh have demanded discussion over the alleged discrimination against Bengali migrant workers in other states. The notice of Sri A. Rahim, Dr. John Bretas, Sri Sandosh Kumar P., Srimati J.B. Mathur Hisam, Sri Harish Biran, Sri Josh K. Mani have demanded discussion to discuss the alleged unjust arrest of 2 nuns in Chhattisgarh. The notice of Sri Ramji Lal Suman demands discussion over the unprecedented and unexpected resignation of the Honourable Chairman Rajya Sabha. The notice of Dr. V. Sivadasan demands discussion on India's trade deal with UK and its impact on Indian economy. Since these notices do not conform to the detailed directives imparted by the Chair on 8/12/2022 and 19/12/2022, the same are declined. Now it's 0 hour. माननीय सदस्यगण, कई दिनों से आप अपने 0 आवर और क्वेश्चन आवर अवेल नहीं कर रहे हैं. आप मेंबर्स के लिए है. आजादी के 50 वर्षों बाद संसद ने संकल्प लिया, जिसमें सभी माननीय सदस्य आप शामिल रहे हैं, कि क्वेश्चन आवर और 0 आवर हम चलने देंगे. ये मेंबर्स के हित का है. आप से आग्रह है कि आप प्लीज 0 आवर होने दे, क्वेश्चन आवर चलाएं. ये मेंबर्स आवर है. प्लीज आप अपने 0 आवर में क्वेश्चन आवर में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हैं. मैं आग्रह करूंगा कि अपनी सीट पर जाएं और चलने दें. प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स. The House stands adjourned to meet at 2 p.m.